Go.
I'm Tom, this is the Ice Bucket Challenge. Thanks for the nomination.
Yeah, I'm also Tom. Thank you very much for the nomination, Georgia. We're doing this one for Gosport and Ferryman Shore Rescue Service, which you can see behind us. We're going to put a donation link in the box below. We're just going to put a tenner in for the cause. Alright.
Thank you. Oh, I nominate D Newsby and Matt Wright.
I'm going to put my nominations below.
Cool, let's go.
Alright.
Oh crap! I've just got a really wet back.
Oh.
I'm sufficiently wet. It's pretty cold.
It was.
Is it now recording? You sure?
Okay.
Because if I do this and it's not recording, I will kill you.